This is the ECO-Baeerss 300 watt flexible solar panel. This is the box it comes in. This came via FedEx. Let's take it out of the box and see what's inside. Alright, inside the box, this is what you get. Panel itself, sandwiched between some padding. Little bag of parts here. Inside we have ends for MC4 connectors. And the panel itself with your cables. So let's take this outside and see how it performs. Again, it is about 20 degrees outside, but it is sunny. So let's see what we get on a day like today. All right, quick little mock-up here. Panel is all laid out here. It is a sunny day, but it is brisk. Let's see what we're getting on the Blue Eddy. We are getting 63 watts. 64. And actually not too bad. Sorry, it is cold out here. 65 watts. I'll take it. Because that sun is still low and it is cold. So 65 watts on that 300 watt panel. On a brisk day, almost 70 watts. All right, well, thanks for sticking around on this quick unboxing, testing of the ECO-Baeerss 300 watt flexible solar panel. Any questions, comment below. I'll have links down in the product description if you're interested in this product or other products. Thanks for stopping by. We'll see you on the next one.